Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Dehradun. With their state-of-the-art technology and highly skilled team, they offer accurate and detailed 3D scans for various industries and applications. Their expertise lies in capturing high-resolution scans of objects, buildings, and even human bodies, ensuring precise measurements and realistic representations. As a pioneer in the field of 3D scanning, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of delivering quality results to their clients. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for 3D scanning services in Dehradun is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They work closely with their clients to understand their specific requirements and tailor their scanning process accordingly. Their team of experts ensures that the scan data is accurate and reliable, allowing clients to make informed decisions and streamline their workflows. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd's 3D scanning services have wide-ranging applications across different industries. For architects and engineers, 3D scans of buildings and structures enable precise measurements, analysis, and visualization. Manufacturers can benefit from 3D scans of products for quality control, reverse engineering, and prototyping. Even the healthcare industry can leverage 3D scanning for medical imaging, prosthetics design, and surgical planning. In conclusion, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers top-notch 3D scanning services in Dehradun. Their advanced technology, skilled team, and customer-centric approach make them the go-to choice for businesses and individuals seeking accurate and detailed 3D scans. Whether it is for architectural purposes, product development, or medical imaging, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd ensures that their clients receive high-quality results that meet their specific needs. When it comes to 3D scanning services in Dehradun, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading provider in this field. With their expertise in 3D scanning technology, Scon Design India offers high-quality and accurate scanning solutions for a wide range of industries and applications. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India for 3D scanning services is their commitment to delivering customized solutions tailored to the specific needs of their clients. They understand that every project is unique and requires a personalized approach. By closely collaborating with their clients, they are able to accurately capture the desired data and provide comprehensive scanning services that meet their exact requirements. Scon Design India's 3D scanning services are not limited to any particular industry. They cater to a diverse range of sectors, including automotive, aerospace, medical, architecture, and more. Their extensive experience in these industries allows them to understand the specific challenges and demands